Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload YouTube Shorts from your desktop or without even actually having the Shorts feature on your account. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So there's a couple things to keep in mind when uploading YouTube Shorts. One is your YouTube video needs to be under 1 minute. To keep it safe, I'd recommend keeping it under 58 seconds just to make sure it comes up as a short. 2, your video needs to be in a 9:16 aspect ratio, so basically a vertical video, or I believe it can also be in a square video, a 1:1 aspect, so either of those should work fine. For my testing, I've only done 9:16, however I have seen a lot of other short videos being set up as 1:1, so I think either of these will work. And then 3, we need to add hashtag shorts to our description, and I've also added it to all of my titles for short videos, just to be on the safe side. So if your videos match these 3 criteria, they will be set up and shown as shorts on your YouTube account. So once you have all of this criteria met, all we need to do is come to our YouTube dashboard. We're going to be coming up to the top right. We're going to be clicking on the create option and we're going to be clicking the upload a video option right here. Once this is opened up, all we need to do is select and drag our YouTube short video that we created, drag it in here, change in the title, hashtag shorts, also add into the description, hashtag shorts, and then upload your video as normal, and your video will now be uploaded as a short. So when you go to your YouTube channel on desktop, there is no real way to know what video is a short and what video isn't. The only real way to know this is either to go to the YouTube app or go to the mobile version of the website. One way you can tell on desktop is by coming to YouTube. We're going to be clicking on our user profile on the top right, and we're going to be coming to our YouTube studio. We're going to be coming over to our toolbar here on the left. We're going to be clicking on the customization option, and what we're going to be doing is adding a new featured section here, or if you already have a featured section, and we're going to be enabling it specifically for short videos. As you can see, I currently have one right here, and all of my currently uploaded short videos show up here in this list. You can also, of course, alternatively open up your mobile app, go directly to your YouTube page, and you'll be able to see any short videos there. Now, once you have a short video uploaded, they will work a little bit different than normal video, as they'll start to be shown up on the short section of the YouTube mobile app. So when you're actually looking at short video analytics, it will show up a little bit different. So what we're going to be doing is coming to the analytics of a short video that you have uploaded. Currently, I have my Tony Hawk's Pro Skater video right here. You'll most likely know it's a short video if there's suddenly a very large spike in views, usually within the 12 to 2 day mark. As you can see, I currently had it within the first 12 hours of this video being uploaded, and we'll be able to confirm this is actually short views. If we come up to the top section here, we're going to be clicking on reach. We'll be able to see here that nearly 60% of the traffic source type was actually via YouTube Shorts, and you'll be able to track and see exactly what percentage of views have come from YouTube Shorts. This is a really cool thing to see and something good to keep in mind, so you can always come back here and see how well this video is performing as a short or as a normal video. Another thing to keep in mind with monetization is that YouTube short videos viewed as a short will not actually gain any ad revenue. However, they will also still show up as a normal video, and when they're watched as a normal video, they can still have ads displayed on them, so they can earn revenue like that. It's a little bit strange, and this might change in the future, but at the moment there is no ad revenue gained from videos being watched as YouTube Shorts, so that's just something to keep in mind. So that's currently all the information I have at the moment on what YouTube Shorts are and how they're actually used and viewed and created on YouTube without actually uploading it directly from the short feature on your app, which I believe most people don't actually have access to at the moment as it's still currently in beta. But these are a couple of different ways you can keep an eye on it, and you can still actually access and start uploading short videos. And I believe a mixture of normal videos and short videos might be the new goal to success on YouTube, but let's see how that expands out in the future. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to upload and create short videos for your YouTube account. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.